Hey Ski House Stratton fans, January 31st, it's a Thursday, and the temperatures are dropping as I speak. We started out at 42 on the summit, 38 at the base. We are now down to 36 at the base, 32 at the summit, and the snow is flying. It's no longer a winter wet mix. It is now pretty much all snow, but the winds are high. We've got 40-mile-an-hour gusts. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the Stratton sign that's been blown over at the base, and it's pretty big. And we've got 50-mile-an-hour gusts, so the Gandhi is not running, so you can hear it blowing. And of course, Mike, the man, the myth, the legend, is going to walk the mountain with his snowshoes today, as you can see. So do me a favor, stop by Ski House, get tuned, get fitted, and then make a beeline to this winter wonderland we get to call Stratton.